Welcome, everybody. In this lesson, the magic chord that converts everything into tragedy. We're gonna see a beautiful chord that is derived from minor harmony. So, let's go. Welcome, everybody. In this lesson, the magic chord that converts everything into tragedy. We're gonna talk about a very interesting chord from the minor harmony, derived from the minor harmony. Specifically, we are talking about the flat 3 augmented major 7th chord. So the first idea, I'm gonna play just a little bit my key in this opportunity. I'm gonna play in the key of D minor. So this is the example. Magic chord, this one, good. So basically I am in the key of D minor. I'm going to explain a little bit how this chord, this very interesting chord works in the minor, in a minor key situation and in a minor key harmonic context. So I am in the D minor, in the key of D minor. My first chord, D minor 6. I'm using the natural 6 within my chord, and then I'm moving to the two most important chords in a minor key progression. The first one, E minor 7 flat 5, and then we have A7 flat 9. Good. So those are the most important chords, I would say, besides the tonic chord in a minor key situation, in a minor key context. Then what I'm gonna do is use the bass. So I have 1, D minor 6, E minor 7 flat 5, A7. Okay, I'm gonna move my bass, okay, diatonically, G, and this chord is, I'm gonna link this note to my magic chord, in this case, F augmented major 7th. This is our magic chord, as you can see from the natural harmonic minor key. So this is flat 3 augmented major 7th chord. Very interesting chord, very dramatic sound. And then usually this chord resolves more or less a perfect fourth above. So we are going to B flat major 7th. Okay, so this chord in our key is gonna be flat 6 major 7th, the harmonic analysis for this chord. And then back to our cadence 2-5-1 in the key of D minor. So we are gonna play E minor 7 flat 5 and A7. Back to D minor 6. Good. With a little echo at the end. Good. So let's play the whole example one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2 minor 7, 5, 7, 1. Repeat 2 minor 7, 5, 7, 5, 7 over G. Okay, our magic chord, F augmented major 7th with an echo. Okay, my resolution chord, B flat major 7th, I have D on top, and then back to E minor 7 flat 5, G, A7 flat 9. Okay, back to the tonic chord, 1 minor 6. And in this case, I'm gonna use D minor major 7th. okay, as a little dramatic effect at the end. Okay, hopefully you like this lesson. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next lesson.